IELTS Reading Tips and Tricks. Proven strategies for a higher band. Stop following wrong advice. Do this instead. Many IELTS students struggle because they follow random tips from unreliable sources. If you want a band 8 or 9, you need real strategies that actually work. Let's bust myths and show you expert-backed techniques that will boost your score. What's a good IELTS reading score? You might think band 8 is amazing, but did you know it's just average for many test takers? Here's the proof. German speakers, 7.74 Greek speakers, 7.37 Indonesian speakers, 6.95. This means band 8 isn't rare. You need better strategies to stand out. Avoid this common mistake. A big mistake students make is using one single strategy for all question types. That doesn't work. Each question type tests a different reading skill. You must use a separate strategy for each example. Matching headings? Focus on general meaning. True, false, not given. Focus on specific details. Solution. Learn step-by-step strategies for every question type. We'll show you how. How to master IELTS reading questions. IDP, British Council, and Cambridge experts all confirm. There are 11 IELTS reading question types. Each one requires a different approach. Top IELTS teachers use this method. Separate lesson plans for each question type. Teach different strategies for different sub-skills. Your takeaway. You must know all 11 question types and their unique strategies. The truth about true, false, not given. Many students overcomplicate these questions. Here's the reality. True. The statement agrees with the passage false. The statement contradicts the passage not given. The passage doesn't mention it. Biggest problem? Students watch too many clickbait videos with fake tricks. Solution? Stick to official sources like IDP and Cambridge. Don't waste time on secret tips. Skimming and scanning. Are you doing it wrong? You've probably heard, just skim for the main idea. Scan quickly to find the answer. But here's what IELTS experts say. Skimming and scanning are useful, but only when used correctly. Example, matching headings? Skim first, then analyze meaning true, false, not given. Scan first, then read in detail. Never rely only on skimming and scanning. You must also read carefully when needed. Stop following random YouTube strategies. One-size-fits-all strategies don't work. Read the first question, then skim fast. Wrong. Always read the passage first. Wrong. Correct approach? Learn separate strategies for each question type. Practice smart, not just fast. Your next steps. Get a higher IELTS reading score. Follow proven techniques and avoid common mistakes. Understand all 11. Question types. Use specific strategies for each. Don't rely on skimming and scanning alone. Ignore clickbait tips and focus on real expert advice. Want step-by-step strategies? Watch our exclusive video that gives you all the right methods for each question type. Click here and start improving now.